Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Many of us love shopping, and isn't it interesting that various branded stores are available at one single stop? Yeah, today I'm going to take you all to such a place. I came to Leesburg Premium Outlets, which is located at Fort Evans Road, Leesburg. So it is 17 miles west of Dallas International Airport and 35 miles from Washington DC. This has got extremely huge open space parking throughout the mall, and it's important to remember the place where you park the car in order to find it the way back easily. So to show it for you guys, I started off from here. This is the entrance, and let me move ahead and show you how it looks like. If you wish to look like $1,000,000 but want to spend less, then this outlet is for you. So yes, this is how it looks like. This is the main entrance. Actually, I did not enter from here, but to show you I just captured it again. So yeah, this is the map of Leesburg Outlet Mall. It's a L-shaped mall with each of the branded stores available on either sides. It has got multiple entrances as you can see here. So let's go and check out what all stores we have in this mall. So I'm moving from the parking way towards the mall. As you see, there is a play area also here with various play structures and are payable. We have many bending machines also around at many spots. We have a walkway in between throughout the mall, and this is how it looks like with all the various stores on either sides. Here we have about 110 designer and branded outlet stores including Armani Outlet, Under Armour, Old Navy, Michael Kors, Nike, Reebok, Bath and Baby Works, Vineyard Wines and many more. It's all outdoors and open to weather, so you need to be prepared to spend a day here based on the weather. Today it is very sunny here, and as we came on weekday, we have less crowd. But usually we have bus loads of crowd, especially over the weekend. People love to grab the best deals and sales we have here that ranges from minimum 25% to even up to 90%. So here on each side we have a board with all the stores available on our route. This really helps us find the store we are looking for. I remember last time when we visited the mall, it suddenly rained, and even though when we have the awnings here, we still got wet walking between the shops. So I would say as this is open to weather, we need to be prepared based on the weather condition, how your day will be. So hope you're seeing these are all the different branded stores we have, and each of the brands have huge collections, and the staff also will be very user friendly, and it has got minimum of sales every time, especially over the weekends we have huge sales. We are going into the Nike store now, and as you see it has got various new collection of shoes for different sections listed, women, kids and men, and also it has good clothing collection as well with good deals. We did checked out few of them, and mostly we were looking some for our kid. There are lot of collections here, and the best thing in each of the outlets of the mall is that the percentage off will be high. So with these best discounts, you will thoroughly enjoy shopping here, saving some bucks. Here we got some funny play structures, and yes, there are few kids playing here. And this is in between of the mall. I saw this and it's really interesting, and kids hang out, right? So we are moving ahead, and as you can see, these are all other brands in my way. So we usually visit this Gap Factory store and Old Navy. We have almost all brands here which are really good and have best deals all the time. There are lots of vacant store friends and store closings. So during the store closing times, you even have more discounts. And a few stores don't necessarily have much of a sale, but if you look and use the VIP coupons and deals over the holidays, it can be well worth it. Large variety of stores in one spot make one-stop shopping easy. So prices are on average listed at 20 to 30% lower than retail, with some stores offering deep discounts of 50% to 60 as well. We came to fragrance outlet here. This is a collection of best perfumes. As you see, we have lot of collection here. D&G, Calvin Klein, Gucci, and many more. So every route has got this listing with all the brands on that path, so this really helps us. We have a food hall here, and let's go see what we have inside. So here we have recliners on left, and there are restrooms also available. We have a copy key over here, and we tried to get a key for our car, and the service was really quick. So moving ahead inside, we have the different restaurants available, ranging from Asian, Italian, and different kinds of salads. So to name a few, we have banana steak fries, green leaf salads, Far East, Villa, and Market. Both by Villa, it's an Italian kitchen. So on to the right side, we have a coffee shop, Lacus, and it has a very good seating space, and as you see, there is no crowd right now, but it is very spacious and huge. So whenever you visit this mall, you need to be prepared to spend at least 2 hours in order to check all the brands here and the deals which they are offering. Definitely this would be a best shopping place for each and every international guest to come visit this outlet and choose their favorite brands. This Leesburg Premium Outlets is such a nice place to visit with really high-end choices, and I believe it is one of the finest shopping areas in the US. So even though in spite of the crowd during the weekends, this place is very well maintained. It's very clean, neat, and it's really a great place to walk around, but it's all outdoors. So you need to be prepared to spend your day according to the weather, and as you see today it is very sunny and I'm almost done. So as there are many brands at one single place, it's really a good thing to pick your collections easily. This has got a open space seating arrangement also, and as you can see, you can sit and rest for some time at a couple of places all over the mall. I am moving to other side from here, and we have got Under Armour here, and we are going inside it. So yes, this is how it is inside. It has got lot of new collections, on various categories, and you see it has a pretty much good sale from 30 to 50% off on almost all items. We spent a small fortune here but able to choose several good quality items at fantastic discounts. Let me name few other branded outlets we have here: Aeropostale, Puma, Polo Ralph Lauren, Calvin Klein, Skechers, Movado, Columbia Factory Store, Levi's, Aldo, Basics, Coach, Loft Outlet, Lucky Brand Jeans, Tommy Hilfiger, Vans Outlet, UCG, Zales Outlet, Express Factory Outlet, Clarks, Chico's, Bananas, Burberry, and many more. So we have various play areas, strollers, and restrooms all over the place here. This is the way back to the entrance which I showed you in the beginning, and here we have got other stores like American Eagle Outfitters, and straight opposite to that we have Old Navy outlet. So we are hopping into this Old Navy outlet. So we usually have different deals here, and especially very new collection and at reasonable prices. And this has extremely smooth fabric, and especially for kids I love to shop here. I hope you all got an understanding how this mall looks like, and this is the best place for everyone to visit and grab deals on various brands. So that's all for today. See you again. Take care. Bye bye.